Hello students, welcome to SRINI'S Math. Today we are going to discuss about Class 10 Unit 4 Quadratic Equations Exercise 4.1 Question number 1. Question number 1. So check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. The first question. X plus 1 square is equal to 2 times of x minus 3. So this part is equal to a plus b the whole square format. So what's the value? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Just expand x square plus 2x, then 1 square is 1. It is equal to 2x minus 6. Then all the variables and constant is moving only one side. So x square plus 2x plus 1, then this part is moving here, it's a minus 2x plus 6, then it is equal to 0. Now so these two part is cancelled and 6 plus 1 7. So x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So based on our requirements we can able to write x square plus there is no x terms, so just placing 0 then x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then compare the general expression of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now the maximum power is x square. So this part is a quadratic equation. And what's the value of ABC? So a is equal to 1 and the b part is equal to 0. Then c 7. Now question number 2. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 then 3 minus x. So now you multiply. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 times 3, that is equal to minus 6, and minus 2 times minus x. If for 2 times of minus, that is equal to positive. Then all terms moving left side. X square minus 2x plus 6 and minus 2x, that is equal to 0. Now just combine the similar terms. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Just compare the general expression. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the maximum power is 2. It is a quadratic equation and the values of a is equal to 1, then b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 6. Question number 3 now. X minus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 times x plus 3. So now we need to multiply each and every terms. So x times x is x square and plus x minus 2x then minus 2. It is equal to x square and 3x minus x minus 3. Now simplify the each side. So x square minus x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. All the terms is moving to left side now. So just make a opposite sign. So x square minus x minus 2, then minus x square minus 2x and minus 3 will become positive 3 is equal to 0. So now, so this two term cancel and minus 2 and minus 1, that is equal to minus 3x. Then the constant part minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. So just compare this part. The maximum power is just 1 only. 1. So we cannot able to write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And this is not a quadratic equation. This part is a linear one, linear equations only. Question number 4. X minus 3 times 2x plus 1 is equal to x times of x plus 5. First we need to multiply. So x times 2x is 2x square and x and 1, so it is just x, then minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. So then the next part we need to move left side. So 2x square minus 5x and minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. So now combine the like terms. So these two part. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So just like x square, and these two terms is a like term. Minus 5 is minus 10x. Then constant is only 1. So minus 3. That is equal to 0. Now the maximum power is 2. So this part is a quadratic equation. So we can able to write in this form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the values of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, then c is equal to minus 3. Question number 5. 2x minus 1 then x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 times x minus 1. We multiply. So 2x and x, that is equal to 2x square, and this two term 2x and minus 3, it's a minus 6x, then minus 1 and x, it is minus x, minus 1 and minus 3, it's a 2 term minus, so just like a positive, then 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. So simplify like terms first, then moving another side. So 2x square minus 7x plus 3, then this one is moving here, minus x square minus x plus 5, that is equal to 4, it's moving to opposite side, it's a minus 4x, then minus 5 is moving to opposite, it will become a positive 5, then again 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, so x square, and minus 7 minus 4, that is equal to minus 11x, then constant term 3 and 5, so just 8. So now the maximum power is 2, so this part is a quadratic equation. So we can able to rewrite ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 format. Then the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 11, and c is equal to 8. Question number 6. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So this format, you just compare with a minus b the whole squared equation. A square minus 2ab, then b square. Just expand. So x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, the position of a is x and b is minus 2. Sorry, b is 2. So x square minus 4x, then b square is 4. Now moving to left side. X square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square minus 4x is moving to left, it become plus 4x then minus 4 is equal to 0. So now combine the like terms. So 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. There is no x square term. And 3 plus 4, 7. So 7x. Then 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So 7x minus 3 is the final part. Now there is no square term here. The maximum power is 1. So this is not a quadratic equation. And we cannot able to write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Question number 7. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x times x square minus 1. So this part, you just compare with a plus b the whole cube. It is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. Now just expand. X plus 2 the whole cube is equal to, so the position of x is equal to, sorry, that means a equal to x and b is equal to 2. Now x is cube plus b cube, that is equal to 8 plus 3 then x then b square is equal to 4 plus 3 times x square then 2. After simplifying, x cube plus 8 plus 3 times 4, 12. So 12x, then 3 times 2 is 6, 6x square. So now substitute. So this part is equal to 2x then x square. It is 2x power 3 then minus 2x. Now this terms is moving to here. So x cube plus 8 plus 12x plus 6x square minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Now combine the like terms. Minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1, so minus x cube. Then there is only one x square, so plus 6x square, and 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14, so 14x plus 8. The maximum power is 3. So it is a cubic equation, so not a quadratic equation. So we cannot able to write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Question number 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Now we just compare a minus b the whole cube formula. So a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b. So now the position of a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. Just expand x cube minus 8 plus 3 times x, then 2 square is 4, minus 3 x square then 2, so is equal to x cube minus 8 plus 12x minus 6x square. Now replace it. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 8 plus 12x minus 6x square. Now all the terms moving to left side. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube minus will become positive 8 and minus 12x plus 6x square is equal to 0. Then combine the like term. So this part is cancelled. And minus 4 plus 6, that is equal to plus 2x square. Then the next part is minus 1 minus 12. So that is equal to minus 13x. And the constant part 1 and 8 is 9. So now the maximum power is 2. So the given part is the quadratic equation. So we can able to write ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 format and compare. So the value of a equal to 2 and b is equal to 13 minus 13, then c is equal to 9. Thank you.